Hi, friends. How are you all doing? Just think of waking up tomorrow knowing you never have to work another day unless you truly want to. That dream may sound impossible, but for some people, it starts with building a $500,000 investment portfolio. Many people believe they need millions before leaving their jobs forever. They spend decades chasing bigger paychecks without realizing financial freedom often depends more on smart planning than an enormous bank balance. Today, we'll explore how $500,000, invested wisely, could provide lasting passive income. This isn't about becoming unbelievably rich. It's about gaining control over your time, choices, and everyday life. If you've ever dreamed of escaping endless work days, stressful meetings, and constant financial pressure, you're in the right place. Small financial decisions today can completely change your future freedom and peace of mind. Recent surveys suggest many Americans think retirement requires $2 million or more. Surprisingly, countless financially independent people enjoy comfortable lives with much smaller portfolios because they understand how money truly works. Financial freedom isn't about expensive cars, giant houses, or luxury vacations every month. It's about having enough reliable income so your daily expenses are covered without depending on a regular paycheck. Think about your perfect day. Maybe you wake naturally, enjoy breakfast slowly, spend time with family, read books, travel, or explore hobbies. That's the real value of financial independence. Freedom over your schedule. True wealth gives you choices instead of possessions. The more control you have over your time, the less you need to impress others with expensive purchases that rarely create lasting happiness or satisfaction. The secret is surprisingly simple. When your investments earn enough income to cover your living costs, your money begins working every single day, allowing you to work only when you personally choose to. Let's look at simple numbers. Suppose your $500,000 portfolio earns about 5% yearly through safer investments like bonds and high-yield savings. That creates approximately $25,000 in annual income. That yearly income equals more than $2,000 every month without selling your investments. Your original money stays invested while the earnings help cover everyday living expenses and essential household costs. Although $25,000 may seem modest, remember something important. You're no longer exchanging your valuable time for income. Every morning becomes your own, filled with opportunities instead of workplace obligations. Some investors accept moderate market risk through diversified stock funds. Historically, balanced portfolios have often earned higher long-term returns, increasing passive income while still spreading risk across many different investments and industries. An average annual return near 8.5% could produce over $42,000 yearly. That's roughly $3,500 each month, providing far greater flexibility for travel, hobbies, and personal goals. Instead of gradually spending your savings until nothing remains, imagine living mostly from investment earnings. Your principal continues working, helping preserve wealth for future years and possibly even future generations of your family. Investors think differently from consumers. Consumers spend money once, and it's gone forever. Investors use money as a tool that continues generating additional income, creating lasting financial security and growing opportunities over time. Many financial experts focus only on increasing income, but reducing unnecessary spending can be even more powerful. Every dollar you avoid wasting becomes another dollar capable of producing future passive income. Ask yourself an honest question. Are your monthly expenses driven by genuine needs or by habits and advertising? Financial freedom becomes much easier when your lifestyle costs less than your investment earnings. Imagine owning your home, keeping monthly expenses around $2,500, and receiving more than $3,500 from investments. You would still have money left over every single month. Even families can make the strategy work. by choosing affordable communities, avoiding unnecessary debt, and focusing on experiences instead of constant spending. Smart financial decisions create lasting stability for everyone in the household. The biggest mistake people make is believing they must save $500,000 immediately. Wealth grows step by step through patience, consistent investing, and allowing compound growth to work over many productive years. Saving just a few $100s every month may not seem exciting today, but consistent investing gradually builds momentum. As your income increases, your investments can grow faster and bring financial independence much closer. Many people unknowingly spend enormous amounts replacing cars, upgrading electronics, and chasing luxury lifestyles. Redirecting even part of that money into investments could completely transform their long-term financial future and personal freedom. Small daily expenses also deserve attention. Frequent restaurant meals, expensive coffee, and impulse purchases seem harmless individually, but together they can quietly consume hundreds of thousands of dollars over several decades. Once your investments cover basic expenses, something remarkable happens. You stop making decisions out of financial fear. Instead, you begin choosing opportunities based on personal passion, purpose, and the lifestyle you truly desire. You might finally start the business you've imagined, learn a new profession, volunteer for meaningful causes, or travel more often. Financial independence provides a confidence to pursue dreams without depending entirely on employment income. Some people worry about inflation, reducing purchasing power. Fortunately, diversified investments that continue growing over many years can help offset inflation, allow your portfolio and passive income to gradually increase together over time. Future retirement benefits, including Social Security, may provide additional support for many Americans. Combined with investment income, these payments could create even greater financial comfort during later stages of life. The real transformation happens inside your mind. You become more intentional with every purchase, resisting lifestyle inflation, and recognizing the difference between temporary satisfaction and permanent financial security through disciplined investing and thoughtful planning. Markets occasionally decline, but diversified portfolios are designed for long-term investing. Patient investors understand temporary setbacks are normal and remain focused on decades of growth instead of reacting emotionally to short-term volatility. Ultimately, financial independence isn't measured by luxury possessions. It's measured by freedom, the ability to spend your time with loved ones, pursue meaningful goals, and wake each morning knowing your money continues working for you. $500,000 won't create financial freedom automatically, but disciplined saving, wise investing, and controlled spending can make it possible. Start today, stay consistent, and let every financial decision bring you closer to lasting independence. Thank you. This is all for today. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe. See you in our next video.